PUGO is a melting pot of high and lowland community. Its rich culture is a melody of Highlander traditions and lowland customs. Tourism, on the other hand, is accelerating as a major economic industry of the municipality. In 2017, there were 16 identified tourism establishments, including potential tourist attraction and farm tourism spots that offer variety of services. Tapuacan is a river with smooth rocks and pristine waters that is found in Barangay Cares, PUGO, La Union. In Iloco, Tapuacan means a place where one can jump high. With its cool and immaculate water, Tapuacan becomes one of the most favorite spots of the locals and the people exploring PUGO. It was declared as the cleanest inland body of water in the province of La Union for 2018 and 2019. Another addition to the growing farm tourism of the municipality of PUGO is a mushroom culture production called Tony Beth Organic Mushroom Farm. The farm envisions to be the leading market of mushrooms agri-cultivator in the region by promoting economic and sustainable solutions. The ingenuity of the Ilocanos is best captured in these wood products from PUGO. The national highways in these parts of the province are lined with wood carving shops that travelers cannot help but drop by and check out these unique outlets of creativity of the locals. The 1.5-hectare site that features cultural pieces collected through the years by the aniversarios. There are also paintings and sculptures by the family. This developing attraction welcomes campers, hikers, and coffee lovers. There is a rising tourist destination in Tabora proper that promotes vegetable and fruit tree farming and flower planting. Once you enter Poland's garden, varied refreshing colors of green, yellow, and red will welcome and stun your eyes. The Pugueños excel in promoting the conservation of natural resources the same way it encourages the agricultural sector to engage in more complex and modern side of the ecotourism industry.
21 PUGO!